Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by naming exact limits and choosing one device to target right now. Once done, set a strict, short restriction, screen timers or app locks so you feel immediate progress. Make sure to have at least 2 replacement activities queued, a 20-minute walk and a specific book or hobby. This reduces temptation and gives your brain something to do. You'll understand why small wins build momentum. They lower resistance and create a practical context for the next, harder steps. You now layer durable habits over the quick wins. Start with scheduled device-free blocks, morning routine, meals, and the hour before bed so you regain control of key times. Then apply tactical tools, app limits, grayscale display, and muting non-essential notifications, plus physical barriers like leaving phones in another room. Once these are in place, track your behavior daily for 2 weeks and note triggers and rewards. This reveals patterns, so you can adjust what actually you finish by consolidating gains and planning for setbacks. Gradually expand your screen-free windows to improve focus and sleep, and make sure to celebrate milestones with real rewards so motivation stays strong. Once stable, swap screen-based rewards for healthier alternatives like social time or exercise. If you slip, don't overreact. Reset with a 48-hour digital minimalism challenge, then analyze what triggered the slide. This troubleshooting loop keeps you improving rather than falling back into old patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.